So here we have these windows. Started prepping this last year and primed it, and this is holding up really nicely. Need to do more underneath. So I'm going to work on this, but I want to start these windows. We're going to have to replace this pane. It's a little too broken up. But need to take out a bunch of this, re-caulk it, clean them up really good. Probably put a fastener in here, top and bottom. There's no reason for these to open, so I'll make a little wooden thing there. These guys will be opening. And you can see we need some caulking here. Ooh, we got some repair down here. Yeah, gonna have to do something there. I have to take that one off to repair it. May end up taking all of them off. But for right now, I'm gonna start scraping and prepping, and we'll go from there. Oh, we got a piece missing here. Oh, 2 pieces. Okay, yeah, we got some repair.